Okay, so for this example, we're given different values. We still want to use the same equation, but now we're asked to solve for different variables. So our equation still remains a of t equals p times 1 plus r over n times, or to the nt power. Then it says an account is opened with an initial deposit of $7,000 and earns 3.1% interest compounded semi-annually. Part A asks, what will the account be worth in 15 years? And Part B asks, how much would the account have been worth if the interest were compounded weekly? So for Part A, we want to write our equation first. We have A of t equals the initial, which is 7,000, times 1 plus the rate is 3.1%, and this expressed as a decimal is 0.031. So we have that over here. Over semi-annually means it happens twice a year. And n represents the amount of times in 1 year that it is compounded. So this is going to be 2. And then n is still 2. And then we have t, which is actually in this case 15. So if we calculate this out, we end up with $11,104 rounded to the nearest dollar. And then Part B asks how much would it have been worth if the interest were compounded weekly. So our equation is going to remain mostly the same, except this time we have, so the rate's the same. But if it's weekly, then it's going to happen 52 times a year. So we have a 52 here, and then a 52 times t, which in this case again would be 15. So if we calculate this out, we get 11,143 rounded to the nearest dollar.